Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel Quaint Cosmos, Death and Quantum Mechanics. What happens when we die? This is the topic of discussion in today's video. The meaning of death, this is known to you, known to everybody. Biology says that when the brain shuts down, when the heart stops beating, when oxygen supply halts, when blood ceases to flow, this condition and the body systems begin deteriorating. So this condition is known as death according to biology. So biology explains how death occurs. But biology doesn't say anything about the actual meaning of death, what death means, or what happens just next to death. That is not known from the knowledge of biology. And this is also known to you. Okay, so we need to go deeper to understand what happens next to death or what is the actual meaning of death. And you know, we need to go deeper. That means we are going to take help of quantum mechanics. Does there anything to say by quantum mechanics? Means I want to say that does quantum mechanics have anything to say about death? Okay. Anyway, so you know in quantum mechanics, particles don't exist in one place. They exist in probabilities, in superpositions until they are measured or until they are observed. This is known to you. And whenever observation is made, then the wave function collapses into only one single outcome. That is known to you. So some physicists like Eugene Wigner, okay, have speculated that consciousness acts as an observer in the quantum sense. Our consciousness acts as an observer in the quantum sense. Actually, consciousness collapses the wave function. That means our awareness is more fundamental to the universe than matter itself. So this is according to some physicists, and I have mentioned only name of one physicist, Eugene Wigner. So this was according to quantum mechanics. Then there is one more theory known as quantum immortality, which comes from actually many worlds interpretation. You know, there is one theory in quantum mechanics known as many worlds interpretation, and from there the theory, the name of the theory is quantum immortality. Quantum immortality, that theory comes. And according to quantum immortality, you actually never die. Yes, according to quantum immortality, you actually never die. When you die in one universe, actually your consciousness continues to exist in another universe. Because many worlds interpretation says exactly this one. For any quantum event, if you are noticing just, you know, for any quantum event, means in case of quantum mechanics, particles exist in superpositions or probabilities. So multiple possibilities are there. If you are noticing only one possibility in your universe, that means other possibilities are occurring at the same time in other universes known as parallel universes. So whenever you die in one universe, in that case your consciousness continues to survive in another universe. Almost like your consciousness is floating into the universe. Actually, you subjectively do not know whether you died elsewhere. Your death is observed by others, but you yourself do not know anything about your own death. So this is known as quantum immortality. Again, you know that physicist Stuart Hameroff and Sir Roger Penrose, they gave us one different theory. According to them, consciousness arises from the quantum processes within the microtubules in the brain. Again, we know that according to quantum mechanics, quantum information can never be destroyed. Quantum information can never be destroyed. So what is the meaning of this? If you combine these two things, quantum processes happening in our microtubules, means in our brain, okay? Within the microtubules in the brain, quantum processes are happening, and due to that thing, consciousness arises. So what is the meaning of that thing? Again, quantum information is never destroyed. That means there is a chance that consciousness exists always in the universe after you die. Because consciousness is what? It is quantum information. Since consciousness arises from the quantum processes happening within your microtubules in the brain. So so that means consciousness is quantum information, and quantum information can never be destroyed. That means your consciousness is always in active condition. It is not dying actually. There is no end to your consciousness. That means after your death, your consciousness remains in the universe. Whether it is floating or not, that is not known to us. And all these things are, whatever I have discussed so far, except for biology, all these things are highly speculative. There is no practical evidence of these theories. Okay, but death, this is one of the greatest mysteries in science. And that's why these discussions are made. Okay. Anyway, so this was all about today's topic. Okay. So this is the end of this video. If you found this video fascinating, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Anyway, thanks for watching.